In this lecture, we are discussing about DC machines. As per your designed syllabus of basic electrical engineering, this is your unit 5th. So first topic of unit 5th is DC machines. So first of all, what is DC machines? DC machines means direct current machines are electromechanical energy conversion devices which can operate as generators, converting mechanical energy given to them from a prime mover to electrical energy. They can also operate as motors, taking electrical energy from a DC supply and converting it into mechanical energy of rotation and driving a mechanical load. So this is your DC machine. But here we have principles of electromechanical energy conversion. So what is principle of electromechanical energy conversion? An electromechanical energy conversion devices is one which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy or alternatively mechanical energy into electrical energy. Electromechanical energy conversion takes place via the medium of a magnetic field or an electric field. But most practical converters use magnetic field as the coupling medium between electrical and mechanical system. This is due to the fact that the energy storing capacity of magnetic field is such greater than that of the electric field. Electromechanical energy converters are either gross motion devices such as electric motors and generators or incremental motion devices such as microphones, loudspeakers, electromagnetic relays and certain electrical measuring instruments, etc. But DC induction and synchronous machines are used for electromechanical energy conversion. When the conversion takes place from electrical to mechanical form, the devices is called motor. Means when the conversion takes place from electrical to mechanical form, the device is called motor. When the mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy, the device is called a generator. In these machines, conversion of energy from electrical to mechanical form or from mechanical to electrical form results from the following two magnetic phenomena. What kind of two magnetic phenomena? You can see here, this is your two electromagnetic phenomena. Your first phenomena is when a conductor moves in a magnetic field, voltage is induced in the conductor. And your second phenomena is when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, the conductor experiences a mechanical force. So these two effects occur simultaneously whenever energy conversion takes place from electrical to mechanical or mechanical to electrical. So this is your principle of electromechanical energy conversion. In next lecture we will discuss about construction of DC machine. Thank you.